Time to walk outside and take the cover off the Blackstone and get started this morning. Good morning. Welcome to Deep South Cooking with Monty. And this morning I'm going to put some breakfast together, and I just want to show you what all I'm using. I've got the water ready, my oil, I got olive oil, and then I got some non-griddle spray in case I need it, salt, pepper mixture, and I bought this Blackstone breakfast blend seasoning. And I got my gloves ready. All these rings are to make eggs in. We're going to try that out. And on this side, I got my utensils, and everything is ready to go. So I'm going to go get the meat and the eggs, and we're going to get started cooking breakfast. Okay. Again, we're going to start off by putting in some of my favorite sausage. This one right here is Old Folks. To me, the hot, you can't go wrong. It's the best flavor. So I've got the grill been preheating for about 10 minutes on low, and I'm going to bump the temperature in just a few moments. I'm going to love this large cooking surface because I'm going to be able to do a lot at one time. I'm going to do eggs this morning along with my sausage, do some pancakes, and we're going to be eating here hopefully in about 15 minutes. I'm going to let it cook a little bit and we'll be back. Alright, well they've been on the grill for about 3-4 minutes. Let's see if they're ready to be flipped. Oh yeah, they're looking good. Nice sear on them. Well, I couldn't ask for better than that. That's a good thing about breakfast. It cooks fast. You don't have to spend long out here doing it. Now we're just going to let them simmer for about 2 or 3 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and get the next batch ready. Let's use a little bit of this oil, the olive oil. And tell you what, I need some butter, so I'm gonna be back. Okay, got the next batch of butter on. I don't know about y'all, but I'm starting to get hungry. There we go. We're at 4 right again. And meanwhile, let's get some eggs going. There we go. I'm gonna spread on out. There we go. Now we're gonna try a little bit of this seasoning. Blackstone seasoning.
What's it called?
This one's called breakfast blend. So I'm gonna put that on 2 of them, and can't get away from Old Faithful. A little salt and pepper. We're gonna put salt and pepper on 2 of them, and breakfast blend on the other 2. And we're gonna give them both a try. We're gonna give them another minute. There we go. Get that sausage grease out the way. Put some butter on. Give me a lot more room to make some more pancakes. There we go. Let's put these bad boys over first. There we go. Okay. won't be long before I run out of food to cook. All right, we'll let them cook for a few minutes and we'll be back. Okay, pancakes come along, so the eggs. We'll give you a little bit of close-up of everything before I take it off. All right, there we go. My goodness, this is so easy. I'm usually cooking pancakes first, sausage, then eggs. It always seems to take forever. Now, let's go ahead and get these off. Look at that. Boy. Not only are these going to be some pretty old Reese's, but they're pretty easy to make. Go. Move up, give me a little bit of room on my. Now, I'm gonna have to invest me in a new tray. I see this ain't gonna work, but that's all right. It ain't gonna make the food taste no different. Boy, I'm gonna have me a little army of hungry folks inside. There we go. Just give you what chance it looks like on both sides. There we go. Look at that. Aren't those some beautiful eggs? You can put those into some sauce or really whatever you like. Put the food down. And really that's it. Breakfast was that simple. I think we had it made within about 10 minutes. So, hope you enjoyed this episode of Deep South Cooking with Monty, and there'll be more to come with different meals.